Hello guys, welcome back to Traditional versus Modern Home. Hope you are all good. Today video is gonna be about 10 colors that make a room look bigger. If you're faced with painting a small space in your home and aren't sure what color to choose, we're here to help. All of the 10 spaces shown below feature paint colors that work to make rooms appear larger, no renovation required. The great news is that whether you're drawn to classic neutrals or prefer shades that are a bit moodier, there are an array of options to explore, from crisp whites to soothing greens. 1. Clear Dirty Martini. While we frequently see colors like this one used in the bathroom, that doesn't mean they can't be incorporated into the kitchen. After all, who says that kitchen cabinets have to be a basic neutral? Think outside the box with a light green, which will add life to any room and brighten up the space, all thanks to its soft hue. It's great for color lovers who crave something more subtle. Sticking to just the cabinets allows this portion of the room to really pop. 2. Faro and Ball Pale Hound. Say hello to Butter Yellow. This soft hue adds a sunny touch to this primary bedroom and makes the space feel even more expansive, acting as a neutral. Paired with blue and white bedding, it leans coastal, but it could be styled with soft pinks and oranges for a more boho-style look, if desired. 3. Claire Fresh Kicks. An all-white kitchen appears nice and bright thanks to the paint color selected as well as the natural sunlight streaming in through the window. Small pops of color in the form of an accent rug and decorative accessories keep the space from feeling too sterile. Best of all, simple pieces like these can easily be switched out over time. If next year you crave pops of magenta, all you have to do is sub out your accessories. 4. Faro and Ball Pelt. Darker hues can work to make a room seem larger, too, even though this may seem contradictory. This is because darker colors tend to blur the edges of a space, designer Rosie Tardati explains. Here, dark walls complement one exposed brick wall for an industrial chic look. 5. Backdrop. After hours in this space, a deep black hue draws the eye up toward the ceiling, making this snug bedroom appear more expansive and sophisticated. The large window present in this space prevents it from feeling at all cave-like. Instead, it appears majorly cozy. 6. Benjamin Moore. White Dove. Designer Caroline Harvey of Simply CH Interiors uses this popular hue in many of her projects. It's a classic, neutral off-white that helps make a space feel open and airy without feeling stark white, she says. The high LRV keeps it bright and clean, but it still has enough creaminess to make true white trim pop. 7. Sherwin-Williams Nuance. This white hue looks right at home in a Scandinavian style or minimalist space. In addition to gracing the walls, it is also incorporated on the ceilings, resulting in an open, cohesive look. When walls feature picture frame molding, as is the case above, it can be nice to opt for a simpler hue like this one to allow these architectural details to really shine. 8. Bare Secret Meadow. Consider painting just the upper portion of your walls if you prefer. This half-green, half-white solution makes this bathroom appear larger and provides an excellent backdrop for a mini gallery wall. 9. Benjamin Moore Gentleman's Grey. Opting for lighter colored furniture pieces ensures that this navy living room still appears fresh and inviting. If you're unsure about coating all 4 walls in a hue like this one, you could choose to style an accent wall featuring this color and build your own art display like the one shown here. 10. Sherwin-Williams Plum Dandy. We see a handful of shades commonly used in the nursery. Pink, yellow, blue, and green are often popular choices. Purple, though, is a bit more unexpected, yet the color couldn't look more lovely in the child's room pictured here. When used on the walls as well as on the door, this color makes the room appear more expansive yet still playful.